please.
All right, this is folding
A fitted sheet.
a fitted sheet. You take each
Do
corner.
it like I taught you.
You probably learned at that Girl Scout jamboree.
Lita, I think you need to be in
Go
it.
like so.
Oh, wait. Should we do this
Wait,
together?
I think Lita needs to be in it.
Right, and then you flip it over so that the fitted part is in. All right, then you get the other side,
Yeah.
like so, and you tuck the one end into the other end, so that
I could just see this on the,
Like
on the
this.
email phone. The publisher of Art Times
oh right, and then you get to fold
teaches
it,
you how to.
fold a
Domestic.
fitted sheet, and then there you are.
Look at that.
Make it
And-
more like a rectangle.
Make it a rectangle.
No, it's
my
not
God.
even. Look, it's
Standing up there.
You missed a spot.
I must be here, right? You must be. There's no way you're not.
Janie's birthday party, but I
Here we go. Here we go.
Jane's
gorgeous.
birthday,
That's
1960.
Beautiful.
Can't see me, but I know I was.
Bravo.
Definitely. There's no way.
Bravo.
Yeah, there's no way I was.
Definitely.
Bravo.
Brava. Brava.
You want to try it? And you got it. Anybody want to try it?
Yeah.
You want to try it, Hattie, before we
Million.
sheet away? No, no.
Yeah, so
I want to see if I got the fitted sheet.
No, you and Peter.
Why is this a demonstration?
Elsie.
Yeah, it was a
Who's that?
demonstration.